going into my 4th week in my braids, and so this will be my 4th time washing my braids. I made it a point to wash it every week, just to keep my scalp and my hair clean and healthy. So I'm using my Curlfresh shampoo and from AG, and I do have a discount code, JT20. I've already put a couple of pumps of Curlfresh in a bottle and added a little bit of water just to make it easy to distribute throughout my braids. And you want to see up close, this is what the braids look like going into week 4 and having it washed weekly. Next, I'm going in with my Innersense Hydrating Hairbath Cream. Okay, I've put a couple of squirts in here already, and I'm gonna add some water. Shake it real good. I'm going to go in with my conditioner. I'm using the AG Doux today. So I've already put about 10 squirts. Just use what you need in here, and I mix it up with water, shook it real well. I am going to use just a little bit, emulsify, and just put all over, and add some water. All the conditioner is out. Hair is nice and clean, shampooed and conditioned. I did wrap my hair while I got dressed, so this got to soak a lot of the water already. So I've really been enjoying this Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner from Innersense. I'm also going to apply just a little bit of heat protectant. I'm using the Tresemme Heat Tamer. Using my RevAir. Last week I used my Dyson to blow dry my RevAir. I really enjoy it. I've already checked the filters to make sure there's no hair from the last time I used it. Because my braids are so long, okay, when I get it in, I can only go so far, maybe to about here, okay? And then after that, it doesn't work. It just stops suctioning and giving me the heat. So I suspected that would happen, but I just wanted to test it out. Yeah, I think it makes more sense to just use my Dyson to do it, so then I can get my roots all the way down, okay? But since I have the RevAir in here with me, I'll just go ahead and just get my ends. No, that doesn't make sense, because if I get my ends but my roots are still wet, I just have, the water will keep, you know, running down. So I gotta get my roots, start up at the roots and make my way down. That's what makes sense, most sense to me. So I'm gonna go grab my Dyson and finish the drying process. I have my Dyson, okay? So I'm gonna use that to finish drying. Also, another thing that I could do to dry is just go sit under my hooded dryer. Okay, so that's another option I can do, but since I'm filming, I'd rather just do the Dyson. But the easiest option, I think, would be just, if you have a hooded dryer, sit under your... I did about 8 minutes, yeah, of drying, and now I'm going to go in with my Mousse Def, okay, my Mousse, the Doux Mousse Def. You can use whichever texture foam you have, but I'm going to use it on my roots here and a little bit down my hair. This will help reduce some of the frizz. But again, I'm going into week 4, so I have pretty realistic expectations about what my hair is supposed to look like at this point. The braids are supposed to look like, they're not going to look like week 1 when I hadn't washed them at all. And I've washed them now 4 times. I've washed the braids. So. I'm going to use a little more in the back. So just use as much as you feel necessary. I'm going to put some on the ends here. If you feel like you need more for your edges, go ahead and use whatever product you feel appropriate to smooth down your edges if needed. For me, this is just fine. Alright, I'm going to dry it just a little more and then I'll be done. Close up of the braids. You know, this is week 4 and this is what they're looking like. Hair is about 80% dry for the rest of the day. I did learn a few things. Some of it I suspected, but I just wanted to try it out still. But the hair, my braids are too long for the RevAir, and I didn't want to just fold it and put it in. So I tried the RevAir a little bit, and then I decided to just go back to the Dyson with the diffuser attachment. The other option that's, I think it's the easiest, is just to go under the hooded dryer. But just wanted to show you guys how I do it with the Dyson versus the RevAir. Obviously, if I have to wash my hair again, it will be my braids again, it will be the Dyson that I use, or sit under the hooded dryer. If my hair was about maybe this length, my braids were about this length, I could do the RevAir. Anyways, hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. I think this will probably be the last time I wash the braids, and next week I'll take them down. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and we'll see you next time.